Hello and welcome to the SM Astro channel. It may come as a surprise to many people that Saturn is a major factor towards contributing towards a person's beauty and appearance, but Saturn plays a major role. Let us first understand the rules and then we will apply them in the example charts. The first rule is that Venus should be placed either in the first house or second house and should be either aspected or conjunct with Saturn. That means Venus in first or second house with Saturn or aspected by Saturn from anywhere. For Taurus or Libra ascendants, Venus can be placed in any house and any sign, but Venus should be aspected or conjuncted by with Saturn. For all the other remaining ascendants, the other 10 ascendants, Venus and Saturn both influencing Venusian signs, that is Taurus or Libra, in any house. So simply Venus in first house or second house and conjunct with Saturn or aspected by Saturn. For Taurus or Libra ascendant, Venus can be placed in any house in any sign, but it should be aspected or conjunct with Saturn. For other ascendants, Venus and Saturn should either be in the Venusian signs Taurus or Libra, or Venus should be in Taurus or Libra and aspected or conjunct with Saturn. Let us see these simple rules with some charts of some celebrities, famous celebrities. We will first see the chart of Aishwarya Rai. You can see she is a Libra ascendant. Venus is seated in the third house but is aspected by Saturn. The seventh aspect of Saturn falls on Venus and hence her beauty, the reason behind this magnificent beauty. Next is Anne Hathaway. Here again, Venus is in Libra sign in 12th house and is conjunct with Saturn. So again fulfills our condition. Third is the chart of famous celebrity Beyonce. Venus is in the first house conjunct with Saturn. The evergreen hero Devanand. In his chart also Saturn and Venus are conjunct together in the 12th house. He is a Libra ascendant, so a Venusian ascendant, which is Taurus or Libra. We have seen the rule is Venus can be placed in any house or any sign, but there should be an influence of Saturn in the chart. Next, Emma Stone. Venus is in the second house and aspected by Saturn. The 10th aspect of Saturn falls on the Venus. Next is George Clooney, one of the most handsome men in the world. His Venus is in the second house and is aspected by Saturn. Priyanka Chopra, former Miss World. She has Venus in the second house. Again, Saturn aspects the Venus in the second house. Robert Pattinson, the Twilight hero. He again has Venus in the second house and aspected by Saturn. Sushmita Sen, she has Venus in the 12th house. She is a Libra ascendant, so Venus can be placed anywhere and is aspected by Saturn. Scarlett Johansson, she has a Venus again in the second house and is aspected by Saturn. Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible actor, one of the most handsome man in the world. He again has Venus in the second house and is aspected by Saturn, which is placed in the 8th house of the chart. So Saturn and Venus are aspecting each other. The Bollywood's number one diva, the hottest diva of Bollywood, Jeanat Aman, she has Saturn-Venus conjunction in the first house itself. So from this example chart, it is clear that Saturn plays a very important role in a person's beauty and appearance. I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and comment and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.